A lot of people ask me how I travel while vegan, which is actually pretty easy. So I'm coming to you from London's smallest airport to show you how to travel vegan. First you need to get to your destination. If you're traveling by car, train or just a short plane ride, I recommend you bring your own snacks. This time I brought bliss balls, which is basically just dates, peanuts and carrot powder. However, if you're on a long haul flight, you should probably let the airline know. So when I book my flights, I just let the airline know that I want a vegan menu, because if not, they're not gonna have it for you on the sky. So I'm flying to Costa Rica with United Airlines. What I have to do to get a vegan meal is just call them. This is the number for Spain, and just ask for the vegan meal. Solo era para pedir el menú vegano. Perfecto, muchas gracias. Igualmente, que tengas un buen día. Ciao. Done? This is it. It's like literally so easy. You just call, say your reservation number, and you ask for the vegan menu, and that's it. When I went to Australia with Emirates, I literally had crepes and sushi on the sky. It was amazing. Once you get to your destination, I recommend buying some groceries and then cooking some meals at home, because that's like way more cheap than going out and having lunch somewhere. We're at Tesco, just a supermarket in Newbury. Tesco's everywhere, right?
Yeah.
We're just gonna have a look around and show you what's vegan over here. Here are some examples of what you can make with what we bought.
I use chickpeas for almost everything. Any cooked vegetables.
It's so good.
Why would you even put eggs and milk in it when it can taste as good without it?
Maybe you're not feeling like cooking, or maybe you're not near a kitchen. You can either just walk around and find something you like. See what's vegan inside. Okay, so I'm at King's Cross. There's a full market over there. I'm gonna go and show you what I found that's vegan. 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. Vegan bananas, vegan trim. Do you have anything vegan?
Yeah, so opposite, yeah.
I just arrived at Newbury. I'm waiting at the train station for Molly because she's like 5 to 10 minutes away. I don't know what else to say. I'm happy to see her. I'm really excited.
Okay, so we're gonna go into this little pub.
Onion rings, vegan pizza, and vegan curry.
That one's better.
Or this is Happy Cow. It's an app I use to just find vegan restaurants near me, or maybe vegan grocery stores or shops. Do you want to introduce yourself to the viewers?
Yes. Hi, I'm Izzy, and I'm hoping to
Cool. What did you get?
I got the New York Melt. I think it has Beyond Meat burger and double vegan chicken.
We met each other at the Campo.
Yes, we did.
So we just met in London and now we're having delicious
Having a lovely
big
burger at just past midday.
Oh my god! I want to see your reaction. Just go ahead and eat something.
Coño lo hacen.
Is it good? On the first day I went to Unity Diner, which was just amazing. It's my favorite restaurant in the world, I'd say. Mac and cheese, bacon, a hot dog. So I got this takeaway because I couldn't finish it, so I'm eating it now. I guess that when people think about traveling vegan, they only really think about the food, and it's not really just about that. Like the activities you do. For example, like zoos and elephant riding, horse riding, camel riding, those things are very popular. That is not vegan. Instead of doing that, what I usually do is just go to animal sanctuaries. You can volunteer and help build the sanctuary, feed the animals, pet them a little bit. They're usually rescued farm animals or just animals in the wild that got hurt. Ideally spend some money so you can help support the animals.
He's trying to scare away the chicken.
Some people like to buy souvenirs when they travel, which I understand, but keychains and magnets, to be honest, are very wasteful. So instead, what you can do is changing locations because my knees are hurting so bad. And if you do want to buy something, you can buy something at the animal sanctuary you go to. But what I did this time, I just went to Lush. So you know, I feel like a bath bomb. It's great for giving at this time of the year. Lush is good because they're cruelty free, mostly package free, and most of the products are vegan. And this is how to travel while vegan. If you have anything to add, just comment it down below.